Hello everybody, this time we have a problem with this Lexus 2010 year made, which one is RX450H. So basically this is a hybrid car, this is a Lexus hybrid drive, which one means there's an electric motor and actually is a fuel engine, but the problem this time is with the climate control system. And let's go inside of a car and let's see how it looks like. Maybe somebody have already seen something like that. Yeah, actually we put everything in the parts, we get it out, we already try to fix it, we already making the parts, this climate control system. So the problem actually is like that. You start the car or just switch on ignition, and when you try to access any of these panel located buttons, which one is just about the heating and ventilation, and look there, you can adjust the temperature, the passenger temperature, then it's auto. So none of these lights is going on, you have just a clock. There's a airbag light passenger and nothing more than that. Here is a blower, the mine blower, which one blows the air through the vents of here, and nothing is working. When you look on the big screen, when you go inside of a menu, I will get closer, then you press it, climate control, on the climate, and look, climate control system error, contact your dealer. So that's the problem, this comes on, in the same time of course nothing is working, there's none of a chance to start it. We tried all the way. Then when you go back, for example, if you go to the audio, then you see, you go inside of audio. Then if you go like in the setup, you go inside of setup. So everything is pretty fine. All other system information, so all other systems is pretty fine. All good, the navigation, this is the mine screen. So the problem only is with the climate control. Yes, we can't do nothing with these buttons. We already spread it in parts and try to understand, maybe there's some corrosions on the wires, but we did not find anything. The good thing of course is diagnostics, and to see in the diagnostics, so let's go. As you can see, we are already inside of electronic control unit, which is an air conditioner, and there is some things what you can do. So you can read the fault codes, of course. We don't already read the fault codes, and we just find then the open circuit basically in the pressure sensor, which one is inside of a conditioning system on the front and the engine bay. There is located the sensor into the pipe, high pressure, so the sensor is gone. This is the one thing. Of course we can exchange that, but anyway, even the sensor, if it's bad, it have to comes on, you have to blow some air, otherwise it's not possible to drive. So when we go back, and now going to be the best thing, so we can read the data stream. So all the data can be read it. So let's go and just click it in. I go and through and click them all in. So let's mark them all, and you will be able to see how we can actually weave the all functions. Look, adjustment of ambient temperature, idle inlet damper actual pulse. So basically all this data is visible, so you can see them, and there is none of the problems of these. So yeah, as you can see, we go through all these functions and everything seems to be fine. Everything seems to be fine, looks like nothing is bad, all this data. Then even more interesting, when you go inside of a actuation test, so there's a test. Look, there's a couple of tests what you can do, and we start basically from the mine one. We hit the blower motor test, and look what it says. This test activates the blower motor to adjust the air volume high-low. So that means in here, look, it's just off button in here, and when you go up, it have to go up and speed, you can hear nothing, and speed the blower up. So available commands expect results, as you can see, 0 air volume low, 31 air volume high. So we just press OK button and monitoring data, and we have activating it now. Look, So basically we are clicking more and we can hear how the vans is spinning. And even if we put the input button and we write it in 31, which is the maximum speed what you can adjust, just click OK and wait till it just activates. Look, it's blowing up on the full 31 speed. The vans is working just perfect. On the full you can close it, open it, and everything just perfect. But in the same time, if you go inside of a climate control, click the button climate control system error, contact your dealer. So that's the problem. We already have another one like this. We have another one which one we've been swapping, and when we swap it over, actually nothing is changed, all still the same when we swap it over. So that means there is no problem in here. The problem is somewhere behind there, somewhere in the wiring or somewhere in some relays. We checked all fuses is fine, and if we go back, then it stops. It's quiet. And the same we do with all other things. For example, like a mixture of air, we can do the same, pressing OK, monitoring data, and the same we input a signal 255, OK, and we can hear even the vanes how they opening and closing. So basically how you activating the vanes with these buttons, and of course with the temperature and with the mode where you want it to blow. So yes, that's the problem for now. So in this point, yes, we checked all fuses, we checked wiring as much as we can. We don't have any wiring diagrams, so that's the problem. We need wiring diagrams for this module. So probably there is problem somewhere in the wiring, maybe. And definitely, if you have some info, would be very nice if you just click it on the comment below and just write on something on the WhatsApp. That could be great. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. I hope so, how we solve this thing. If we're gonna manage to do it, then this video gonna come out definitely. Thanks for your help, thanks for watching, and see you.